everyone and welcome back to another video. Well, okay, I know this video seems very contradictory to my last video about my shopping ban, but bear with me. Today I got a big haul for you because, as I mentioned in my last video, I was gonna order some things from the web shop Medvetna, and here we go. It seems quite big, right? I'm gonna tell you what I bought. As you can see, this tape thing here, this one is plastic free. It said that the packaging was like recycled packaging materials, so that's good. There's still some like plastic tape here, but maybe that was already on the packaging. I don't know. Yeah, because it's reused. It's not recycled, it's reused. Anyway, so that's very good. Let's open it. Okay, I don't really know how to do this with one hand, but I'll try. Alright, so let's see what we got in here. First, I ordered some toilet paper. I mentioned these ones in my house tour. I haven't had these ones now in a while because I haven't ordered from Medvetna in a long time. But they're very good because they're recycled fibers and it's like unbleached. And I feel like you can get recycled toilet paper, but it's quite hard to find like unbleached toilet paper. So that's good. And it's the Eco Natural 400. So I like these ones. The main reason that I ordered all these things was because I needed to get reusable makeup remover pads. So I got two different types because I don't know which is the best one. So let's start with this one. It's called a nail and it got the GOTS label, which is very good, and it comes in like a laundry bag, so that's good. Oh yeah, there are different sizes, so they got different colors, and oh no, they're all the same size. Got like a little bit of like a towel texture. I think there are 10. Yes, 10 of these. Organic cotton laundry net with 10 round makeup removal pads for makeup removal that is soft and waste free, 100% cotton. And I also wanted to try this brand. So it's Bambaw, I guess, Bambaw, I don't know how to say Bambaw. 16 reusable makeup remover pads. 4 of them are scrub bamboo terry pads and 12 are soft bamboo velvet pads. So let's open it. Our supply chain is 100% carbon dioxide neutral, so that's very good. Also comes in this little bag, and they look quite similar, but without the color on the sides. So we got these ones, similar to like the towel texture, and these ones that are softer. Yeah, so I think that's good. I think these are especially good for like makeup removal, and since I already got a pad that I've shown before for makeup removal where you don't need any like makeup removal liquid or product on it, you just need water. I feel like I need these ones more, but I can still use these ones for like a toner. Yeah, so that seems good. What else have we got in here? This is something interesting. So 2 years ago I bought one of these, I don't know what it's called in English. It's not hemp, but it's similar to like hemp cloth, which you can just wash, and it's very good, but I still feel like I'm using like paper towels anyway for some things. Sometimes you just need that material that is like really efficient. Yeah, you know. So I'm gonna try these ones, reusable paper towels, and you can wash them. 100% organic bamboo, made by nature, reusable, biodegradable. Well, we need to open it, don't we? And it's the same brand, Bambaw. It says here that you wash it in 40 degrees. Let's open it. Okay, there we go. Well, okay, that was just the first bit. But at least there's no plastic, and like most of these things, except from the toilet paper, this one was in plastic. Except from that, no plastic packaging so far. And that's very good. Ooh, interesting. So yeah, here it is. And it's quite like thick compared to like a normal paper towel. It feels a little bit like, I have no idea how to say this in English, but like we used to have these in school when I was a kid, and well, I don't know. I think it's like called filt in Swedish. That will be interesting to try. What else have we got? Okay, this is interesting. Floss. I feel like that is very important to use. Well, at least my dentist is telling me to use that all the time. But that's a lot of plastic. I was just wondering if there was something else you could use. The same brand again, Bambaw. Reusable stainless steel floss dispenser with silk dental floss. And I think this brand got like both silk and bioplastic. So this one is obviously not vegan, but it's plastic free. But instead you could get like the bioplastic to get it vegan. And I'm thinking that I will try both and just see which one I prefer. But it's nice to get it in this like steel container, so no plastic, and then yeah, it's just in there. Yeah, smells very minty and nice. Yeah, so that will be interesting to try. And then I bought these beeswax food wrap, and I've shown these ones before. I bought 3 of them exactly like these ones. I don't know, I've been moving like back and forth to my parents this summer, and I'm gonna move back to my normal house soon, but I think I've lost one of them like in the move. Yeah, I just feel like I need more of them, so I got a small one, like a medium one, and a large one, so that's very good. My last few things now. As you might have seen in some of my other videos, I have like a really bad razor. I bought like one of them like Gillette's razors when I was probably like, I don't know, 15, 16, and I had that one until I came back from India, but then I just broke it. So I had to get a new one, and I wanted to invest in a good one, but I had no money when I came back from India, so I bought disposable ones. That's just awful. Finally, I got to buy a proper one. So this is a safety razor, and I didn't know what the difference between this one and like the more normal ones are. Apparently these ones are like a little bit more trickier. You need to like learn how to use them, but hopefully I can do that. And yeah, and then you just need to buy new blades for it. But yeah, it's very heavy and it looks very nice, I think. Like proper, no plastic, very good. And I also mentioned in my shopping ban video, if you noticed, that the shaving gel, or whatever you call it, contains PFAS. I'm gonna like use it all up because there's no point throwing it away. But then I was trying to find something on Medvetna that was like more sustainable. This is plastic. They didn't have that many things, but like this is a shaving soap. I'm not gonna open it now. I'm gonna open this when I need it. But it's a shaving soap. I think this means that it is for men. But I mean, it would probably be fine. And maybe I can find something else if this is not good. But I'll try it out and we'll see. But I need to find a better option when it comes to a shaving gel. Yeah, so I think that's about it. It was a very big box, a lot of things, and it feels very weird to upload this one just after my shopping bag video. But I feel like all of these things are just to replace things that I would have to buy over and over again. I think it's still in line with my main goals for the shopping ban. Anyway, I'm gonna try all these things, and I will definitely come back to you with another video, probably like in a few months or something, or yeah, at least weeks, and tell you about all these products and what I think about them. I had a few other things that I wanted to buy, to be honest. I was thinking about washing nuts or soap nuts, I don't know what they are called, but like nuts you use instead of like the washing powder when you're washing your clothes, but I didn't buy them this time. And I also realized that I really need like a bamboo dish brush for my bottles, but we'll see. Maybe that will have to be after the shopping ban, because I was saying that I could have one. We'll see. The day I will upload this video, I will start work, and I've had the whole summer off and I have had so much time to think about YouTube videos and work with that. So we'll see how much I will upload after I'm starting working. So it might be a little bit longer until you see me again, but I mean maximum 2 weeks. You see me soon anyway. So thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye!